Hello friend, Sabko Namaste. So today in this video we will create a ROI object detection. ROI here means is reason of interest. Means suppose this is a video. Wait a second. Suppose this is a video and I just want this portion. Only in around this portion I want object detection. Another portion I don't want object detection to be performed by the model. So for better explanations, this is an image. Suppose this is a first frame of your video. Okay, so suppose this is a first frame of a video, and I want only this portion, only in this frame. I only want that in this portion only. I want the object detection model has to be performed. Other reason like this reason and this reason, no object detection model has to be performed over here, over this area. So how we can do it? Let me explain you line by line. Suppose this is other libraries which we will use, and see from bounding box import drawbox. From bounding box is like this is a, you can say this is a Python file, this one, and inside this I have a make the draw boxes function. Okay, let we read the video by using a cb2.video capture that pass the video path. Then this is the model which we are using. The model which we are using YOLOv8 PT, and it is we are using a pre-trained model. Okay. Now to read each frame of video one by one, we have to use while loop, and cap dot read basically pass the two argument. Return the two argument. RET and image. Here image is a frame and RET is a result. Means if suppose after the last frame result will be false, and if the result will be false, it means if not true, we will break this loop. Okay, so this way we read each frame of video one by one. Now let me save this and explain you how it is the image shape of our video, and what are the models name. Means model names will give me the number of class names which is detected by this YOLO model. So let me run it. See, these are the class names which is detected by the YOLOv8 models, and this is a shape of the first frame of a model, or we can say this is a shape of our video. So let me close this now. I have explained you. Now see, cropped image 2000 2000 to 3000, 0 to 1, 2000, 3000. What is representing here? How I calculated this? I will explain now. Go to the Paint software, make just upload one first frame of your video, and here you can see that how I calculated this. First of all, let me explain you one thing, that here 2000 and 3000 are the rows column, number of rows you can say, and 0 to 2160 are the columns you can say. For better explanation, let me explain you. See, here 2000 is representing this line, so 2003 till 3000 I want. So I have to pass that number of columns, or you can say pixels values, 2000 to 3000 as a rows. And for the columns, you can see I have to, for the columns it should start from 0 and add it to this, and it here to 1. You can say you can say this entire, you can say this is a width of the frame itself. So here 2160 is a width of the frame also. Okay, so this way I basically extract, you can say I extract the cropped portion from the image. For better explanation, let me show you what is happening here. See, this is the original image and this is a cropped image. I already resized them from 40 to 640 and 480 to 300, and just showing them. Okay, so let me save this and show what is happening here. Wait a second, it will start. See, it start. So this is a video, and this is a portion on which the object detection model has to be performed. Only this portion I want that object detection has to perform. Other area I don't want. So how we can do it, I will explain now. So this is what we have I have experienced right now. So let me comment them. So here first I make the copy of the image, then this is a model, and just here we can say I am passing on a single frame I am passing here. So zero is basically to give the result of to get the result of the particular image. Zero index give me the result of that particular frame which I have passed in that particular model. Here model is representing YOLOv8L. Okay, now I have to draw the rectangle around that particular video. So I have so I have to decide x you can say top bottom top left corner of the bounding box and bottom right corner of the bounding box. How I calculated it, here I didn't here I didn't have to give the that uh, number of rows and number of columns values. I have to give the coordinates values. So how I had calculated, just using the same thing, go to see I have kept my mouse at this point. Okay, and you can see at bottom, you can see at the bottom this bottom bar where size is 7.6 million and other thing is representing. You can see this 2168 and 3840 pixels. This is representing by this. Okay, not this. This is a, you can say this is the area of that. Here, see this right bottom. You can say this is at the bottom left bottom you can say bottom left corner. You can see the mouse is representing, and here is 10,194 pixel. These are the coordinates, you can say, for and bottom right coordinates again. Go to the bottom left corner of your frame, of your window frame. Okay, and you can see the mouse icon is there, and it is representing 21662957 pixel. Okay, here you can see it. So this way you calculate the coordinates values. After getting it, you have to just make the rectangle around that particular around the video frame. Okay, it gave the result. After getting the result, how you draw the, you can say how to draw that particular bounding box. And see, I have passed a cropped area, means this is the main thing. This is the main thing means, but why I'm saying this is the main thing, because here I am not passing the entire image. I am passing the cropped image, the image, or you can say the portion which I have extracted from the image. I am passing this, passing that only, and inside that only, around when we pass the particular frame, the extracted image, or you can say cropped image, inside that only a model will be performed and the object detection has to be performed. So here I pass the bounding box. Here after getting the result of box is basically you can say acquire all the bounding box values, and just after getting this, you have to extract x by x by dot box dot x by x by 0. Give me the bounding box details. Okay, here x by is you can say the x main, y main, and x max, y max format. You can say bottom left corners, sorry, not bottom left, top left corner and bottom right corners coordinates, you can say, in that format. Here box dot class and 0 give me the class ID, and according to class ID, model dot name give me the label of that particular object, you can say. After that, I have to draw the bounding box with the label. So that here I have used this draw boxes function. After getting this, just use the draw boxes function, pass the cropped image, because we only a dot crop portion I have to draw the bounding box. Okay, one more thing, that this cropped image is another image, and the entire image is performing here. Here we are performing object detection, draw bounding box, and all that things only at cropped image. Afterward, we can say afterward we replace that portion in the from the original image, from the original video, you can say from original video, we replace that with the cropped image, with the object detection, with the bounding box. Okay, so how, first we will you can say first we will pass the cropped image and the express and the label. After this, the compiler will go to here just we get the image. First we make the image copy, then we extract. Here box is x by format, so I have to extract it by x main, y main. X main and y main, it's a you can say top left coordinates, top left coordinates, and this is the bottom right coordinates. Then the color which I have used here, let me make it it should be 255 and it should be 0 here. Okay, and then just draw the bounding box with the coordinates values, then just put the labels is just pass the image and the label. See here, this x min and y min is a top left, you can say top left coordinates, not top, yes, top left coordinates. And x min plus 40, x min plus 40 will not be there, it should be x min y min minus 40, because above the, I want to display the, label, you can say I want to display the label. If suppose you assume this is a car, and if I draw the bounding box around it like this, I want to draw the label. I want to draw the label above here. I want to draw the label above here. So, and one more thing that I want to explain, that 0 value for the y-axis, in the image. Start from the top. So that's why I have minus y min dot 40 to get above coordinates value. Okay, that's why x min minus 40. Then this is a font, this is you can say this is a size, this is a color, this is a thickness, this is a line. Okay, so after that it will retain the image with the bounding boxes. After getting it, let me first show you image, video. Let me show you the video and the cropped. Okay, so let me show you with the cropped image with the bounding boxes. It's taking time because object detection is performing here. So see, this is the original image with the ROI interest, and this is a cropped, and only at portion, you can see this way. This is extracted, you can say this is an extracted portion from the video. Okay, and here only the object detection perform. And now we have to include, or we can say include this portion in this video, so that we can say that only this portion object detection is performing. So how we can do it now, let me explain you. See, just what is a single line for including that cropped image in the original video. Just use same coordinates values. Oh, so here it is 2 2 1 6 0. Okay, just replace that particular number of rows and number of columns with the cropped, and things is done. Means we have replaced that object detection portion to object, or you can say the cropped, to from the crop to the original image. In the original image we have replaced that, and everything is done now. I just have to show the original image, and I have resized that original image with 480 and 640. Okay, now let me run the things. Wait a second. See, we have replaced that portion, and here are, and only this portion the object detection is performing, and other area no object detection is performing. You can see that. Okay, it's moving little slow because I do not have installed the GPU here, so that's why. Don't worry, it's taking time. Okay, this way we perform the object detection only on that particular portion where we want object detection has to be performed. And other things, this is just for the explanation. And here, just after that, if cp2.wait key 1 and OAP, this is a command. If suppose I press the Q, the object detection is stop here, but I do not want to stop it. I just want to show you one thing also, that after this car or this truck move out from this line, object detection is not performing on them. Wait a second, it's moving a little slow because see this. When the car is moving out of this line, the object detection is not performing on this. Only the object which is present in particular region, only in that only on those object detection is performing. Let me close this now. Okay, so this way we perform region of interest, or you can say when we calculate the region of interest and we extract it, then perform the detection on that particular portion, and then we include that replace that from original image, we replace that portion with that object detection portion. So this way we perform ROI object detection. Okay, thanks. I have explained each and every line. Thanks to all. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all.